Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this series question often look tricky, but we can solve them quickly by evaluating the limit test logic to find the correct answer. The divergence test states that if the limit of the terms is not 0, the series must diverge. Here, the limit is 0.1, which is clearly not 0. You got this. Since the limit of the terms is a non-zero constant, the sum of these terms will grow indefinitely. This confirms that the series must diverge. Boom, that is the logic. Option A fails for harmonic series. Option C is true for monotonic functions, but not generally. Option D requires the limit to be 0, so B is the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the trap of assuming convergence. Always apply the divergence rule for non-zero limits.